are kicking off this comeback with a new style. Never done it before, but I seen a girl on Twitter with the style and I was like, listen, I gotta try this. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair and it's blow dried, and I'm gonna part it. I'm not gonna give you guys a peep of what it's gonna be. You're just gonna have to wait till the end, or probably you know from the thumbnail. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm talking like that. So I am going to part my hair, but I'm gonna let you know right now, I am not the parting queen, especially not on my own head. I cannot see. So the back will not be perfect. It'll be cute, but not perfect. And I don't really care for it to be perfect because it's gonna be in the back. Who's gonna see it? Like, let's be real. Let's be real. Let's be real. Okay, skin is doing what it's doing because I'm on my period, so we're not gonna talk about it. This is how we gonna check it. I'm gonna part it and then check it because I can't do this at the same time. Yeah. The part is like this. It's not really it. Yeah.
Purchase tracks today.
This is good. I'm gonna get it. I'm not gonna lie, I actually hate doing styles where I have to part my own head because it's so tedious and it's a headache. I can't see shit. But it's okay. We're gonna get it done. So I will come back when this head is parted and continue this video. Yeah.
From as citizens. And in America, our most basic freedoms and protections are contained in the Bill of
So I look crazy, but I'm done. Parting the hair. Yeah. And the back is tied. But we are parted. So I'm going to, and I separated my edges for the baby hairs. This is the hair that I got. On camera, it's a perfect match. In person, it's a little bit lighter, but my roots are lighter anyway, so I feel like it's gonna work either way. But yeah, so up close, up close. So I'm going to do half of my hair off camera so I can finish quickly. Then when I get towards the front, I'm going to come back so I can show you guys, how to do it. This is the first one. This is gonna come out cute. It's gonna come out cute. I'm excited. So it comes in pieces already separated. I just use one. Each of these, one piece. Okay, you're gonna take the crochet. You're gonna go downwards because you want the pieces to fall in between your hair. Oh wait, I actually want to braid your hair. See, I've been forgetting my process, which has been making me go a lot slower. So yeah, let me come go close.
Tracks today.
So what you do is you go down, get your piece hooked on there. Sometimes you have to twist it if it's too fat, or honestly, if it's too big, I'll take a little bit out. Save this piece. Save this piece. You'll see why. Yeah. Then there you go. Pull it through the hoop, the hole. Just pull one piece through.
Today.
It don't matter which piece. Just pull one. Okay, I'm ready. And then you want to take the pieces and cover your braid. So you're gonna do like that. You want your braid to be directly in the middle so it's not showing, cute, whatever. Now this piece that you took out, you're gonna use to wrap it. Now it doesn't have to be this thick. This is a little too thick for my liking. I'm gonna make it a little smaller. You're gonna put it in two, so well, in a half. Like this, you're gonna take it like this. Hold this piece down, and you're gonna wrap the base of it, okay? So it's gonna look like that. Kind of like you're doing butterfly locks or locks in general. So I hold it right there. See, you're gonna cover the braids. Take your piece, hold it like that, and then I'm gonna wrap it around, just like so. And you do it until it feels good to you. I haven't been counting how many times I wrap it, honestly, just until it's tight enough for my liking. And then you want to make sure that you don't just wrap it at the top so it's not too thick. Like wrap it downwards so you get some of the hair so it stays. I mean, it's gonna stay anyway because you crocheted it in, but you get the point. Okay. This is enough for me personally. So I am going to take the half, split it again to make it smaller. So it's gonna look something like that. From here, you're gonna wanna take this piece, make it straight so it falls in line. I use my thumb width, so like about here till this line will be my first bubble. It's to the point now where I could just, you know, eyeball it. But once you continue doing it, you'll be able to eyeball it. But it's pretty much thumb width. Right there. Right there. Then you just wrap. Do the same thing. You wrap it around to make a bubble. You do it a few times. Make sure it's tight so you have that indent. And then you hold it down to match the rest. Measure right there. Second bubble. And then wrap.
Purchase your tracks today.
And if you see your braid popping, just fluff it so it's not showing. And you just wrap. And you really just continue doing that all the way down. And then I've noticed if you do like make a bubble too big or too small. Okay, let me show you what I did right here because that's a mistake as well. So sometimes when you're wrapping and you're trying to hold it down, it can make like these little flaps. So what you want to do is you have to unwrap a little bit or take the flap and just wrap over the flap so it doesn't pop out like that because that's not cute. Scoot it in. This one's a bit too fat. I'm gonna take it out. And you can see where you messed up because then your flap will go away and you're like, oh, okay, I see what I did. See, that's enough. Gonna measure. Next bubble. And there's a trick you can do to like even your bubbles out if you accidentally made one too big or too small. And I'll show you guys at the end how I do that. Now my piece ran out, so I'm just going to literally grab another one in that same strand and just sew it.
Your tracks today.
good thing with this is you can really play with it. You know, the big or small. The big lip, I didn't find that lip too cute, so I went to go for that. I'm putting the inside lip, and look at exactly what I wanted. So I love. So I'm gonna continue wrapping. What's my piece again? Alright.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
After long deliberation, it's been decided. I'm a bad bitch. Okay, there's no denying it. Look at me. Look at me in this hairstyle. You're gonna tell me I'm not? Please, don't lie to yourself. Okay, let me chill. But no, I'm in love with myself. Like, this style is it. I did not expect myself to like it this much, but I do. It's different. It's vibrant. It's weightless. Like, it's so weightless, not heavy at all, and it stands out like me. Yeah, as you can see, this is how the hair turned out. It's cute. She's giving. I love it. It took me a total of like 4 hours, simply because I was trying to get my technique down. But once you decide on the technique that you want to use, it's a breeze. Honestly, it's a breeze. Really, a whole 1 pack did my hair, but except for like 2 pieces. So at the end, there was 2 pieces left that I could not do because I ran out of the pack. So you can get like that big pack that I had, and then like 1 small pack, and you'll be good. And that big pack was like $10, and then the small pack at the beauty supply store that I went to was like $5. So total, it's a $15 hairstyle, and it can last you for about 2 to 3 weeks. Honestly, it's not that bad. We're pushing on to 1 week now. I know I'm recording this late, but it's whatever. So yeah, I'm in love with it. I've been getting lots of compliments. Bobby pins will be your best friend with this style, because sometimes it can get too poofy and you just want it to look a certain way. But yeah, I absolutely love it. Let me know if you guys decide to try it out. I hope